today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a password-protected PowerPoint presentation step by step. This is an essential skill if you want to keep your slides confidential and ensure that only specific people can access them. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to secure any PowerPoint file with ease. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and make sure the presentation you want to protect is readily available. If you haven't created your slides yet, start a new project or open an existing file that you'd like to work on. Once you have your presentation opened, we're ready to proceed with securing it. Now, head over to the File tab, located in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on File will open a menu with various commands and options related to your presentation. Among these options, look for the Info section. This area contains details about your document, including properties and settings that can be adjusted. Think of it as the control center for your presentation's backstage view. Within the Info section, find the option labeled Protect Presentation. Hover over it to reveal different ways you can secure your PowerPoint file. From the drop-down menu, select Encrypt with Password. Encrypting your document adds a layer of security, ensuring that only those with the password can open or modify the presentation. It's a straightforward yet effective method for keeping your content secure. Once you select Encrypt with Password, a prompt will appear asking you to type in the password you wish to use. It's important to choose a strong password that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for enhanced security. After entering your chosen password, click OK to confirm. PowerPoint will ask you to re-enter the password to ensure it has been entered correctly. And that's it. Your presentation is now password protected. Anyone trying to open the file will need the password to gain access. Remember to store your password somewhere safe, because if you forget it, PowerPoint cannot recover it for you, and accessing your presentation could become impossible. With these steps, you've successfully secured your PowerPoint file. This simple technique ensures your content stays private and professional. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Be sure to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful PowerPoint tips and tricks. Happy presenting!